All right, check it out, Facebook. I'm live right here today, and I'm with my main man. His name is John, and he's with Central Florida Texture and Painting. Go ahead.
Right now we're doing, we're spraying the inside of the house. We're doing the trim work and the doors. Central Florida Texture and Painting, folks. We do knockdown, orange peel, specialize in popcorn removal. We do painting interior, exterior. We do pressure washing, commercial, residential. Call us for any need that you have of those items that we have on the list right here, and we'll be more than happy to help you out. We're a Better Business Bureau, we're A rating, and we're trying to stay that way. John Akins.
All right, let's take a walk inside, John. I know you got a little something going on here with RadfordHomes. I'm sorry about that. All right, you're doing a little trim work here, huh, John?
Yeah, well, we normally don't do this, but for a faster process, as you can see, we put paper tape up and we're spraying all the jams. And then also we spray the doors. So here we kind of spray the doors, kind of put some plastic up to kind of protect the walls, and then we'll come back over and then we'll recoat all the walls so it'll be back to the original state.
This is a major transformation in here, John. I mean, these walls was bad, especially right here, John. Mm-hmm. Right here, you did a corner bead right there.
Yeah,
you made that.
We installed corner bead. Box this in so that this wouldn't be a rough area, so nice and smooth with the texture on it, and it's all cornered out at a 90 degrees angle.
Yeah, this was a hot mess right here, folks. You can go back through my Facebook feed and you'll check it out. And he made this thing look beautiful. He did this over in a house we flipped over at 903 Lakeview house over in Hack Lake in Bartow. And John got a major operation going on in here, man. Taking care of me. He's going down to the duplex next. He's going to be taking care of me down there as well. John, I noticed you got your doors here. How you do that?
Basically, we stage in here and just basically spray them on the wall, put some plastic up. I don't care about the plastic, but some people do, especially the workers, like we're cutting in and all that stuff. But basically, this is just a staging area to spray the doors. We normally would spray them outside on a sawhorse, and then.
And won't dust get on it then?
Yeah, sometimes it will, all depending on the area, if you got trees and all that stuff there. So.
All right, so basically what he did is, inside he made a spray room. Now he's gonna go right back over, and I like what he did. He put plastic on the wall, so some people just let the spray go on the wall and then they repaint it. John put plastic up as a barrier between the wall, so that's pretty good. As you can see, he took care of the ceilings, okay? We got ceiling, we got flat LED lights in here, all right? Look at the knockdown and texture. The texture in this house was awful, okay? Matter of fact, it wasn't no texture in this house in some areas. So he blended the texture in, him and his whole team, okay? It's not just John by himself. He got a team that's helping him out. I mean, just beautiful, man. He's doing the baseboard while the baseboards are already on. He's spraying them, taped the floor up. Got it looking beautiful. So he came in here, since we had the white tile, okay? So we had the white tile in the bathroom. He said, Greg, let's go ahead and make this bathroom all white. So it look more roomier, larger because it's white. You know, darker colors restrict the area. I wasn't even thinking on that level. And he was like, Greg, I think you need to make this bathroom white. And it came out beautiful. Look at the knockdown texture. Got some light here? Yeah. Right here, John. Just kind of showing the customers, John, what we actually doing to this 1920 bungalow house. Okay, this home is 100 years old, and we are in here bringing it back to life. We're not just remodeling, folks. We're bringing this back to life. Okay, and Central Florida Texture and Painting and the whole team here is making things happen. Get him, John! Look at that door transform. Get him, John! That's Central Florida Texture and Painting, folks. All right, you can give them a call at 863-651-8325. Look at that door. Hold up, John. Let them see that door, how that door just transformed. That's what we're talking about, folks. Grade A, superior work. Get them, John. All the ceilings has been painted. Everything taped up in here. The workers keep everything clean. Jamie say they just taking care of the whole house. Look how they cut in. Took the cabinet doors off. That's right. They took the cabinet doors off. Got this place looking beautiful. John, I also noticed that one of those doors that we had was brown, so you had to use a special type of primer to go on that door. Can you speak on that a little bit?
Yes, folks, so what we have to use on a stained door, if we want to convert it from the stain to, is it's called an extreme bond primer. It adheres to anything. And when you want to do glass, mural, you use this here. This stuff here is about $65 a gallon. And it's a very special primer for those applications. And it works excellent.
Wow. John said that thing can go on glass. I never heard of that. Y'all hear that, folks? So we had a door that was brown, and I was thinking we just gonna use a regular Bondo primer, and John was like, "Nah, we can't do that, Greg. We're gonna do this thing right. The Central Florida Texture name's gonna be on here. We're gonna do it right now. All right." Up here. Get on the other side. All right. Got some light here. Let's get some light on. Here's the columns he painted them white. Man, these columns was rough, man. John caulked them all and put texture all over it again. Just beautiful, man. 1920 bungalow house. Radford Homes. I'm Greg, one half of Radford Homes LLC. My lovely and beautiful wife, Sabrina, well, you know the deal. She's the brains and the beauty behind this operation. Make no mistake about it. But today, it's all about Central Florida Texture and Paint. And they are going to work. They're about to close this thing out. I said they got about another day in here. And then we're going to be putting this house back together for Miss Honeybunch and Jamie. Okay, and we're on the west side of Bartow, where I grew up. Acquisition. We just purchased a duplex on this same street, on King Street. It's gonna be coming to you as well. We finna do a full renovation. John Akins will be going in there doing the painting, the drywall, and the exterior painting as well. So stay tuned for that, folks. All right, here's a bedroom where he got the jams all sprayed up here too, him and his team. All right, he got a great team of two individuals that's here, a young lady and a young guy. They're taking care of us. Jamie's been here with him. Baseboards. Gonna come back and cut them in. Just outstanding work. I mean, if you see the condition of this home, and we're trying to work around. Redid the porch. All right, folks, once again, I'm Greg, one half of Radford Homes, and I buy houses and I buy them cash money. and I will give you a nice size give back. You can reach me at 863-410-0877. Follow me on all my social media at Radford Homes. That's RadfordHomes. Okay, I'm on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, LinkedIn, and my homeboy back here, he's trying to get me on Snapchat. Man. All right, y'all see John. All right, got the team with him. Hey, look, I've been calling him John Akins for the longest, but he just let me roll with it. As long as he get that bread. This is my lot right here. It's gonna be a brand new house here.